5 costly mistakes to avoid before you sell your house. Mistake number 3 is avoiding repairs. There are many reasons why a homeowner avoids making repairs to their house. But when you're getting your house ready to go on the market, it's important to address as many of those repairs as possible, as it will help your house to sell and it should help you to get more money for your house. In the event that making those repairs to the house before it goes on the market is a financial burden, the price that the house is listed for should reflect that the house needs repairs. This has been Richelle Ward with your Monday Market Minute, and I would like for you to subscribe to our channel.